Hello everyone, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can change host on Zoom. So to begin with, let's pretend that we are on some important meeting and currently want to give the host role to somebody else other than us. So just open the participants section, choose what person you would like to transfer the admin position to, tap on him, then just go for the make host option, then OK, and as you can see, it has been successfully reassigned to this little person over here. Now we are not host on the other hand, because as you can see, our control panel or the things that we can do to other participants is pretty much omitted. And that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.